Hey guys, it's Tasia. Welcome back to my channel and to another new release video. Today we have a cute kit to go over and then a bunch of random things. Right when I turned on this camera, I realized that I did not print the itty bitty versions of these. I don't know what it is with me and itty bitties, but they keep not making it into the video. So they will be coming. This video might be going up before I get into the office tomorrow, and if that's the case, then they will just follow very, very shortly because I just need to print them off and take photos, but these do have itty bitty counterparts. So, that was a really long explanation for the lack of itty bitties in this video. But anyways, so the first sheet I have are these assignment due pencils, and so they're just these really cute pencils that say assignment due. They are about, I would say, a little over an inch in width. Let's look at a regular, this is like the size of an Erin Condren box, so it would fit the length of the box and then it would only take up a little bit of space. So that is the assignment due stickers. And then you have just blank pencils, so that way you can write in things that you want in there, or you can just leave it blank. And then we have these school subjects. So right now I just have this in a mix sheet, and this one actually is not available in itty bitty at the moment because some of these things, when I sized down, they just were so tiny. So I'm going to be working on that, but all the others there will be itty bitty. But we have history, art, science, math, English, PE, and foreign language, and then I will be making single sheets of these, so all history, all art, all science, that type of thing. It was really hard trying to put together a mixed sheet of subjects because some of them I feel like art, that could be, well, depending on the type of art. Like in high school I took ceramics and that type of thing, so I could kind of use it for that. But foreign language, like that's more of a high school, but the rest of these could be, I don't know. It's been so long since I've been in school, so if you guys have any suggestions for school stickers, definitely let me know below. I probably won't do mix sheets only for this very reason. It's hard to make it across the board good for everybody. So just keep that in mind. But so we have that, and then we have this cute little teapot and cup, and these are just so adorable. They're little rose, the little teapot has little roses on it, and then you have your little teacup on the side. And then you have ortho appointments. So this is for all of you lovelies who have children in braces or are in braces yourself, or maybe you're doing ClearCorrect or Invisalign or something like that. You could use it for that. There's a lot of appointments involved with ortho, as I'm sure you know if you're on that road. So I left it blank to where you could put what the appointment was for or just the time. So again, this is going to be in regular and itty bitty. And then what I'm really excited about are these kits. So this week's kit is the Galaxy kit. At first I was doing this other one, it was like a Pastel Dreams type of thing, and I'm still gonna do Pastel Dreams, so that's gonna be coming, but I don't know, this just morphed into a Galaxy kit. So I'll go over the regular set and then we'll kind of quickly flip through the other two. So they come with 5 pages. This would be ideal for like a week-long spread with a lot of stickers. So you have enough of these page flags to do 1 a day every day. You have 7. And then the headers, you have enough to do 3 a day every day for a week. You have your weekend banner and then some cute little icons and then just some cute little calligraphy things like lazy day and get it done. The next page, you have enough of these full box lists to do 1 a day every day, and then you have these arrows as well as the translucent boxes. For the sidebar or wherever really you want, I have this Dare to Dream big and then this week box, and then your blank schedule, some habit trackers, and then your hydration sticker. And then you have enough utensils and clouds to do your meal planning every day. And then these are just really pretty blank boxes. I did not do anything to these because I didn't want to take away from the really pretty design on there. So that I think would look really pretty if you just like blocked out a whole row or sporadically throughout your planner. These colors, I'm really liking this kit. So you have all of those. You have enough to do 1 a day every day, and then you have a little bit of a smaller version of the translucent boxes. Don't Quit Your Daydream, cute little moon and star. And then you have the bottom strip for what you guys like to call the washi. So you have a long strip for the bottom and then your date covers. So this is ideally made for the Erin Condren vertical planner. It would work in a Happy Planner, but so these boxes measure in at 1.5 inches in width, and then they're 1.9 inches in height. So when you're using it in your classic Happy Planner, it will fall short. It will fit the width, but it won't fit the length. So if you stagger it or you do something a little creative, they could work no problem. The horizontal kit, everything is exactly the same when it comes to the stickers, just the banner has a different orientation, so it works with the horizontal layout, and they are a little shorter to work again with the horizontal layout. So that's the only difference between the two kits. All the icons and everything else are the same. The date covers are sized to fit the Erin Condren horizontal planner because the Wednesday's a little longer as well, and then these strips, again, size to fit that layout. The last size we have is itty bitty, and so this is a really good time to show you how different the sizes are. So the headers are way smaller, the page flags are half the size, the weekend banner is much tinier, the little icons, I made the icons smaller in the regular kit, but they are itty bitty in the itty bitty kit. The lists are a lot tinier, and then just everything is tinier. This would be really good for, say, the mini Happy Planner, like a personal size planner or a pocket size planner, that type of thing. So you have your date covers, little strips to put wherever it may fit, and then the blank boxes. I have a Happy Planner here. I don't know if I decorated in this one. Let me see. I did. So this kind of shows you how these would fit, because you have these here. These are actually full length headers, so if you use these little headers, it would actually be a little more in comparison to the actual planner. And then these boxes would fit really nicely, and the lists, they would fit nicely as well. So that is it. Oh no, wait, no, that's not it. Let me put this on the side. I'm gonna get this video up before Friday, and I just wanted to show you guys what the mini kit for Friday is going to be. Just last week I started this new thing. It's called Mini Kit Friday, and so I don't know how long I'm gonna be doing it for. It may only be this week and this past week. It just depends on how many mini kits I can make. So last week we had a sushi mini kit, and it's the sushi kit that I normally have in the shop. It's just sized down, so you get 3 sheets instead of 5. So this week I will be bringing back the sushi kit, but you'll also be doing, have available, gosh, I cannot talk. I am also going to have available the sweets kit. So what it comes with for this one in particular, you have 7 of these little page flags. It's kind of like a $2 Tuesday mix. You have a couple of these little boxes, some weekend banners, tons of icons, and then you have this cute full box that says The Sweet Life. You have a bunch of full lists, and then you have date covers for a week, and then enough headers. So really maybe light decorating for a weekly spread, it would work well. Or if you kind of wanted to sprinkle them throughout. So that is what comes in the mini kit. It's 3 sheets. The sushi kit is very similar to this. It's just sushi themed. I wish I had it around here, but it will be online all day Friday until 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and then it comes down. So that is it. If you guys have any questions or comments or anything, I'm always reading them and trying to respond as quickly as I can. So if you have any, leave them in the comments below. I think, oh, I saw sushi laying on the side, but it's not the mini kit. Okay, enough rambling. I will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.